Hey, welcome into For the Load. Today we're going to take a look at our Toshiba DVD VCR combo TV that we've got for sale. It's got a VHS player and a DVD player built into the TV. It's going to be really reliable and it's convenient for setting up. And it also has a recorder on the VHS side if you want to do any recording with that. So down here, you've got an input if you want to set something up to record, or you can just play a game system of some kind. Then you've got your VHS controls right there. And then you've got open and close for the DVD. You can adjust the volume, and then your power button. And then on the back of it, you've got a couple other inputs. You can connect another VCR to it or a DVD player, or you can connect to cable. Connect an antenna to it right there. And then you've also got coaxial digital audio if you want to connect it to a sound system of some kind. So we're going to plug it in and give it a quick test just to show you how it works. We're going to put in a VHS, and then we'll also pull out a DVD. And this is the original remote for it. Got a lot of control with it. You can eject VHS and DVD with it. You've got a record button to start recording at any time. And you've got all these menu options right here. You can adjust language.
Home video.
Your wife, just as I buried.
And then you can also turn on subtitles if you want.
And I surely hope you haven't given up on marriage. Not too much time.
And then right here is the display. You can take a look at all the DVD settings and options. And at any time you can easily jump between DVD and VCR.
Really, you are.
All you have to do to switch is push DVD, or you have to push VCR and then play. You have to push play for DVD as well.
It'll never happen again. He loves his dog. Give it to me. Drop it. He's polite to his landlord.
And the model number of this Toshiba DVD VCR TV is MW20F52. And if you're looking to purchase one of these, you can get it from us if it's still available when you're watching this. But you can get it at fortheload.net, or you can give us a call to order at 480-207-1511. Thanks for watching.